What's up? I bought this $170 Dewalt 20 volt palm sander, brushless motor XR edition. Super nice, right? That's what I thought. So I got it. Take this thing off. It's got almost full battery. Just put it on for shits and gigs, right? Just in case there's dust. That's what I get. Look at this. Dust broke it broke the sander. Dust broke the sander. I'm madder than a freaking Democrat right now, you know? This is ridiculous. Oh. You know what I did with this? I sanded drywall. It wasn't even like a ton of drywall. It was in a 1,200 square foot space. And half of it didn't even get ceilings that were drywall. Only part of it did. And I didn't sand all of it. I sanded a bunch with hand and stick sander and stuff. Now get this. This thing is less than a year old. I bought this in August. And all I've done is moderate wood sanding. I mean, not even crazy. Just a little bit of wood sanding here and there. And then, hey, I got a drywalling job. Super cool. I can use my new palm sander, you know, not have to have one with an extension cord. This is from Harbor Freight. 4 years old. Kicks the shit out of this thing. This thing has been through hell with me. Still works awesome. But you know, there's a cord. I don't want to lug a cord around. Go wherever I want. Freedom. And costs twice as much. Doesn't work after like 6 months. Pretty upset. I was very excited, and it's not working. So Dewalt has some explaining to do about this one. Dewalt, what's wrong with your sander? It got dusty. Your sander got dusty? Why don't you freaking fix it? This is insane. I haven't reached out to anybody yet. I want to make a video first, and then I'm going to reach out to them and see if there's anything. What's going on with this? What is this? It's absolutely insane. Let's mess with the speed dial a little bit here. We'll go all the way down. We'll go up a little bit. Ooh. It's like a freaking diesel motor in the middle of winter. That white smoke coming out. Doesn't want to go. Maybe I need to jump start this thing, huh? I don't want to rant and rave, but for $170 for a palm sander, I feel like this is pretty expensive. I know it's going, oh! Got a little bit of life out of it, then it died. That's all I've got to be able to get out of it. I'm going to clean it, see what I can do. I really don't feel like I should have to do more than just blow it out, which I have done. I did blow it out, but obviously it's got drywall dust sucked in the motor somewhere, and it seized it up. Which, you got one function. You were made for one thing, and the one thing that it's made for broke it. Oh! That sounds absolutely terrible. That's the most life I got out of this thing. Oh my gosh. I'm going to take it apart. Hope I can fix it. But this thing, one time sanding drywall, less than 1,200 square foot, and it's broken. Alright. Took apart the pad here, pulled it apart, blew it out really good with the air compressor, put it back together, and it's better. But seriously, a sander that dust breaks. I'm all about maintenance of my tools, keep them up to par. But this thing, I mean, compared to my other sanders that still work today, this thing barely touched the tip of the iceberg on that. And it failed. I had to take it apart to clean the sander because it got too dusty. It's better now. I'll keep trying it out. But so far, that's a fail for me, because sand broke the sander. But what are you going to do? Hey, if you liked the video, I got more coming, more consistently, once a week. Tool reviews, and all the other fun stuff that comes with carpentry. Give me a like and subscribe.